Good day po. Mag-i-interview lang po kami for research and yung mga sagot mo naman po dito is makikip confidential and pwede kang mag-withdraw anytime. So first question po is, what challenges do you face as student nurse at school?
Pag sa school, maraming activities, nakaka-overwhelm. Tapos, pag nagsasabay-sabay, hindi mo na alam yung uunahin mo, ganun.
At home,
Pag at home naman, maraming distractions. Lalo kapag online class, ganun. So, parang ang hirap i-manage yung time. May responsibility ka sa bahay, tapos meron rin sa school, ganun.
in the clinical area naman po.
Sa clinical area naman, siguro pag maraming patients, minsan natatagalan mag-VS. Tapos pag nasasabayan ng activities, ganun, FDAR, NCP, sabay-sabay mo silang gagawin. Tapos end of the shift pa naman ipapasa yung iba. Then, isa pa is, takot ako magkamali. Baka masigawan, ganun.
Next question po is, what stress management strategies do you use to cope with these challenges?
Siguro, panonood ng movies, K-dramas, ganun. Or, pupunta ng beach, ganun. Tapos, kumakain, natutulog, ganun, para hindi, masyadong na-feel yung stress.
Next is, how do these strategies help you in your clinical performance?
Parang, siguro, mas nakahandle ko ng maayos yung stress pag nagagawa ko to. Pag mag-face na sa, clinical duties, ganun. Tapos, nakaka-relax din.
Next naman po is, what support system, example, family, friends, or sa school do you rely on to help you manage stress?
Friends, number 1 kasi silang nakakasama, ganun. Tapos family rin, lalo pag malayo sila, parang mas alam nila yung, mas alam nila yung, nasasabi mo yung problema mo sa kanila, ganun.
Next naman po is, can you share your experiences in dealing with stress as student nurse?
Dealing stress, siguro parang kanina rin, panonood rin ng movies, ganun, pakikinig sa music, or talk with your friends na lang. Kasi sabay-sabay kayo ng experience rin, nasi-stress din kayo pare-pareho.
Next naman po is, what activities or methods do you do to relax or feel better when stressed?
Siguro, socializing. Mas naiintindihan rin nila kasi pare-pareho kayo ng experience na nasa stress.
Next naman po is, do you feel your stress affects your performance in clinical duties? If yes, how?
Yes, minsan siguro. Tas, pag nasi-stress ka sa duty, parang ang hirap maki-interact sa patients kasi ang dami mong iniisip, ganun. Tas minsan baka mas prone ka pa magkamali.
Next naman is, how have you ever felt overwhelmed balancing schoolwork, clinical duties, and personal life? If yes, how do you handle it?
Pag nakaka-overwhelm na yung schoolwork activities and duties, ganun, siguro ginagawa ko na lang is mag-to-do list ako. Then ipa-prioritize ko yung mas dapat gawin o yung mas dapat matapos na, ganun.
Next is, do you think the strategies you use to manage stress are effective? Why or why not?
Yes, kasi nakakatulong siya to parang hindi ka ma-overstimulate. Then, pag nagagawa mo na yun, parang mas gumagaan yung pakiramdam mo, ganun.
Next naman is, are there times when you feel your stress levels are too high? What do you do during those times?
Pag mataas na yung stress level ko, siguro, panonood na lang ng movies kasi mas nadadivert yung attention mo sa mga activities, ganun. Then, wag naman, parang, tawag to? Wait, pause. Dapat hindi lumagpas sa due date, ganun.
Yung time naman po na yung super high na po yung stress nyo. Like, anong ginawa nyo that time?
Tinutulog ko or kinakain ko na lang. Tapos, kinakausap ko yung close friends or family. Kasi, tawag to, mas maiintindihan nila yung nararamdaman mo, then mag-a-advise sila ganun.
Next naman po is there anything you think the school or others can do to help student nurses manage stress better?
Take breaks kasi hindi naman tayo nagpa-function pag nang mabuti if we don't give ourselves little breaks, like kumain sa labas with family or friends. Then don't put too much pressure sa sarili kasi hindi nakakabuti yung sa mental health.
Last naman po is there anything else you would like to share about your experiences with stress and coping as student nurse?
Seek help siguro pag na-overstimulate ka na or na-overwhelm. Then talk to your friends and family din.
Thank you po.